guessed it, Crazy Chris back in action. Here with my boy, A&A Photography. We're about to meet up with Thomas Miata.
And we're gonna go freaking drifting
on a go-kart track.
It's like an abandoned go-kart track. You guys probably seen this track before from Garage Sideways. They do a lot of testing and stuff there. So I don't know, he said there's another car going. We're meeting up with them too. Yeah, I need to get like, I'm about to get some Ford Stars for this car so that we can use these as like drift spares, because this thing would be fun to drift every now and again. But we're gonna head there and then go do some drifting.
I guess my life means nothing to you.
It's a GPS! Guys, we're heading this drift. Alright guys, we're here with Thomas.
Hey, Thomas Miata, you know what I'm saying?
Go check him out, guys. I already told him to check you out before we already got there.
Okay.
But so the Miata's in the trailer?
Yep.
So yeah, you got the Miata in the trailer. You're not bringing the Beamer, are you?
That old landscaping trailer.
Yeah. What's in there, bro? Lawnmowers. You're bringing this? Yeah, this is the, what's inside this Beamer?
5.3.
5.3.
So LM7.
Nice. So we're gonna have some fun when we get there. It's at the secret location. I can't tell you where it's at because disclosed. All right, we're gonna have Crazy Chris drive because I need to get a trailer rolling shot. Not really, I just now away. I don't want to drive.
Oh yeah, young Crazy Chris driving the V-Ski.
If you guys didn't know, I actually posted a little bit on Instagram. I got like this, I forgot what it's called. It's called like new something polish. We polished the car and it's looking pretty good, so you can go check that out. We got a nice little train going here, so I think they're gonna gas up. And then we are going to head out and do some drift things, baby. Getting the gas? These are all the spares?
Yeah.
Nice.
I used to have like 14 wheels.
Is this your car?
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope, man.
Yeah.
5.3. You gotta put some turb skis on there.
Yeah, right? I gotta get oil pressure to stay steady first. So
Yeah.
I think I gotta get another.
You just kind of sending it right now?
Yeah.
Looking to send it.
So many gallons.
So many gallons.
Incredibly slow.
Yeah, it's going really slow.
Don't know who that was. I don't know him like personally, I've never met him, but I follow him on Instagram. It's like Nublurts or something, I don't know, but go give him a follow, guys. His car is sick. We kind of lost the pack because we were a little excited for the R8, but hopefully you checked out the video. That'd be kind of dope. But we're headed to go do some drifting, and hopefully you can get this speed a little bit sideways, take it a little bit easy on the V, because we got a little excited. Also, if you guys haven't already, go follow us on Instagram at A&A Photography. And before we get all this stuff going, if you guys want to see some more crazy stuff on the channel, hit the notification button, because without that, you guys won't be notified. And you guys want to see us do crazy things. Whoa! Married to the abandoned park. So apparently, I think they either have permission or they just don't care. But hey, we're just gonna send the cars. Probably gonna get the V sideways. I mean, we're probably gonna be able to do like a turn or something. Something's better than nothing, you know what I'm saying, guys? But we're actually gonna ride along with Thomas and the E36. Well, no, actually we can't because he said the tires rub. But we're gonna have a ride along with Thomas, and this is gonna be so sick. All right? Yeah, dude. What's in the box? What's in the box?
I should have backed up just a little bit more.
Let it rip, Tater Chip.
Sometimes I lay under the moon. I thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and I just
The V's on radials. I'm not gonna try to do anything too crazy. Might just do like a couple little drifts, see what she's got. My plan is though, because what I wanna do for the V is make the stock wheels, because I'm getting some Ford Stars, secrets. But I wanna put this, like the drag stuff on these, and then get like, just use the stock wheels for drift stuff, so we can just f around, but let's go.
Nice.
First one of the day. Justin just popped his tires. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god, man, what'd you do? You broke it. Ugh. Rest in peace. Rest in peace.
Guys, this is Thomas's fender or side skirt.
Yeah. Yes. Here you go, bro. Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Fuck yeah, it's not even that bad. I can zip tie that back together.
All right, let's go get, you gonna get a couple more runs in?
Oh, that tire's done.
All right.
Well, let's just end the video here, bro.
Yeah, let's just end the video, I guess.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Go follow Thomas, guys, because I mean, obviously, you see what he does. It's pretty freaking sick. But I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Reppin', oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always reppin'. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon.